unblock you.
Wow, gapa.
Why not?
Digid mang unblock ang gapa oh.
Why I will unblock you? Why I will not? Why I will unblock you? Tell me.
Hello, mayong adlaw sa tanan. Nano sa bagong viral video na po do. Si myTommy Nasuko kay wataw tagayog 20 mil. Empa. Diba? O sa tanaw ang video katong i-play.
A billion. There's you only like 111 million people in the Philippines. 113 million, that's nothing. We have 348 million, which is small.
Nasuko.
So we can stop all this bantering. You're angry, I get it. You're upset, I get it. I have no idea who answered your phone. But he told me that your brother was in the hospital. I don't know who it is.
Butan si kuno, butan ang kano. Yang pag-istorya.
Now, stop this. Unblock me so we can talk.
Ang yun siya ngayon black. Ngayon black siya.
Unblock you. Unblock you. Unblock you.
That's what I said. Unblock me so we can talk.
Oh, this is it. I will not unblock you.
Wow, gapa.
Why not?
Digid mang unblock ang gapa oh.
Why I will unblock you? Why I will not? Why I will unblock you? Tell me.
Because we love each
Sukuan
other.
mo eh.
I told you where is the love.
Wow.
If you love me, you can understand me, but you can't.
Angie?
Oh, you see the medicine of my brother. You see, it is not enough. Oh, you see, but you
Mangayog
don't
pang kambal
understand
yan.
my situation.
I do. I would understand more if you were a little bit more quiet about it.
Nasabaan ang gano'n, nasabaan.
You
Yelling is
understand.
making
You
me
understand.
Yes, I do.
Sige, magsinggit. Diba?
Of
What you
course I
make?
do.
What you understand? What you understand? Tell me.
Wala
I
man.
understand that you don't be doing a lot of yelling.
Hopefully prank rani yung tadi ni tinudulawan.
What you
Wala man.
understand? You said you understand. What you understand?
Masuko day kung di mo taga-andritso.
I understand that your brother is sick.
Yeah, you understand. My brother is sick. Yes, he is sick. You don't understand me. I need 20,000 pesos
Oy.
to bring him in the hospital. You don't understand that because you only said care. After you care, you said money.
Alayo, di lang tapos masuko kung mga itabang. Din pa. Unta joke lang niya,
This is what
Murag lain
you
man,
can do.
maula. Murag ulaw man.
The option is yours. The option is yours. I'm not mad, I'm not angry, I'm not upset. I'm not fighting.
Wow, butan.
Remember that. You have a choice, and I don't really. You make the decision. I'm at work. I get up at 2 o'clock. I take a lunch at 11 o'clock. Same thing, same time. You can unblock me, and we can address this,
Nanghangip daw siya ilan.
or you cannot unblock me, and we can just shake hands and part pals. I love you, and I want you to unblock me because I
Wow.
want to resolve this. I want to talk to you, and want to make things right. It's up to you. I can't make you. It is your choice.
Diba?
I do have to go, and you make a decision of what you want. It's totally up to you. I'm not going to ask you again. I'm not going to fight. I'm not going to get a screaming match. I'm not going to yell.
I will not
Not gonna get
unblock
angry.
you.
Wow.
I told you.
Okay.
I will not unblock you.
Understand.
I end our relationship.
Wow. Diba? Kanan na ba? Kulbaan tayo, marang mag-ulaw. Marang ibati ko kaulaw. Pero, hopefully, unta nga, parang karatuha, di isa to tinuod kay marag ulaw, kayo sa part, una-unaon ba nga. Kita nga mangayog tabang, kita pang masuko, kita pang magsigig-singgita. Ana pang kano nga, di daw kuno siya makig-battle o kanang singgit-singgit daw kuno. which is good. Just butan parang kana, pero ambot lang eh. Kapuya. Basta yan na lang. Kung may problema, pwede istoryahan, hindi lang magsigig-singgita ha. Amping ang tanan. I will unblock you. Amping.